So I made it up to the mountain, but unfortunately the road is closed, so I'm not able to get exactly where I wanted to go, but I can get there on skis, and it's going to be quite the journey to get there. But they don't plow the snow across the mountain at all on this road, simply because it's not so much up here. It's not a lot of cabins as far as I know, except from down here in this valley where you have a bunch of cabins. It's very secluded here. The snow is melting, but yeah, unfortunately I can't go unless I walk all the way there with skis and the sled, which I intend to do. I'll do my best, see how far I can get, basically. So here I'm parked up at the end of the road, and I'm standing on the side of the road. I hope that's fine. Yeah, I've come this far, so we'll see. Hope you can see me all right. So I'm very close to where I should take shelter, and as you can see, the road I've been walking on is snowed over. So this is the road, the asphalt. You can see the signs and everything. I mean, obviously it's not that much snow, but actually there's two cabins further down that I was thinking about maybe seeking shelter by, but I just passed them and I thought, okay, they're right there, so I can always go back. But I'm heading another 45 minutes to another cabin where I was planning on taking shelter. Not at the cabin, but outside, of course. So, but yeah, look at this amazing scenery here. They don't plow the snow at all during the winter. I didn't know that. I just assumed, but so I made a mistake, but I'm still having fun. I'm still gonna go where I need to go. And this trip takes me about 3 hours. 3 hours to walk from the car. Sorry if I'm shouting right now, but the wind is in my face or in my back of my head. So I'm putting on my balaclava, I think it's called. See you in a bit. It is time for me to get into my improvised tent, you can say. Yeah, but I had a really nice day so far. Tough trip to get up here, but I've eaten good, I've gotten a nice spot, and now it's 1947. See you tomorrow, good night. I've just eaten some lunch, and I figured out my gas is empty, so my propane. So I don't have any more, or I don't have the ability to heat up water anymore. So that's unfortunate. So I can't really eat any warm food anymore, but I have plenty of other dry food that I can still eat. So the question now is, I am about 1 hour and 20 minutes from where I parked the car. So I'm a bit contemplating what I should do. If I should walk up to this mountain behind me. Right up there is a top. It's 1,254 meters above sea level. I see there's a tiny little bump up at the top there, which I think I can use as a shelter, and I can dig myself down a little bit at least, even though I forgot my shovel. But what are you gonna do? You know, what are you gonna do? I still have a bit of water to drink and stuff, so although it's frozen, so I would have to just lay on it close to my body. Okay, let's do it. The spot is like made for me. But you got a spectacular view here. Just look at this. It's like that type of view you can just sit and look at for days. And it's when you're up at altitudes like this that you realize how great of a distance this is. And for example, for me, I'm not that experienced in hiking, and especially hiking in the wintertime when it's like this. I have close to zero. I have, I'm up at the cabin, I've slept out there and all of those things, but not this. So this is spectacular, and I encourage anybody to try it at least once, because it is very difficult in terms of physical stress and yeah, how much work it is just to walk on skis on the snow. But it's super rewarding, and you really feel strong when you have done it. I can promise you that. Anyways, I thank you so much for watching for now. I'm gonna get ready, get into bed, get into my sleeping bag because I feel the cold is coming on, and I'd rather be inside there when it gets fully dark. It's now 18:26, and I'm just gonna hang out here. Yeah, and then go to bed and wake up early tomorrow. I need to head back, but it's biting. Thank you for watching, and if you like this channel, hit the subscribe button, put a thumbs up on my video. Just trying to think what to say, what I need to remember to say. I appreciate all the support. It's been amazing. I've gotten thousands of views on my last few videos, and it's so much fun, and that's what drives me to do these types of trips and adventures. And yeah, this was a definite test for me. A good test for sure. So now I'm gonna test this out and see how it goes. So see you in the morning. Good morning. I'm by my spot where I sat and ate food and everything yesterday. I woke up and it's been snowing. Yes, a lot, or quite a bit actually, and it's completely, foggy. I can't see anything. So I'm currently stuck here. But it doesn't seem like it's that much snow actually. It's just right by here. It's huddled up a little bit extra. So this is what is left of my makeshift tent. Hope you can see that all right. There's the sled. It was quite cozy yesterday, to be fair. Now I need to wait a little bit before I dare venture down, because it's too snowy. I can't see more than 10 meters be in front of me maybe, but as you can see on my jacket too, getting snowed down, but mostly because of the wind. So if I just get cover from the wind, I'll be fine. So, but see you down there. It's time to head back home. This is Velta Outdoors. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel so you get notified when my next video comes out. And if you like this particular video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Seeing all the support, from Canada, India, Australia, South Africa, so many places. Even Argentina, I think. So, thank you so much for watching. And until next time.